morning's session is on the management of paediatric vascular malformations, and it's primarily going to focus on lymphatic malformations. So there'll be 3 talks. I'll give the first talk on the more traditional management of sclerotherapy. There's a talk then on using a new, more innovative technique. And finally, there's a talk on the management of orbital malformations and orbital sclerotherapy. Yeah, it should be a brilliant learning opportunity for anybody interested in paediatric interventional radiology, and also anyone interested in the management of lymphatic malformations. And it should be a good interactive session as well.
On today's session on how to best treat Autoilec occlusive disease, we will cover everything from patient selection to treatment planning. I will focus on patient selection, imaging modalities, and the planning for the treatment.
We will talk about the treatment of complex visceral aneurysms. We will talk about the investigation, diagnosis, indications, and different types of treatment techniques. And there will be a great chance, a great opportunity to learn about this pathology, these new devices and new treatments.
With engineering background, I'm specialized in combining medical imaging with advanced computational simulation techniques to simulate dynamic interaction between blood flow and the surrounding tissues. So in the talk today, I will present a novel in silico computational model that we have developed that can simulate a virtual deployment of stem graft in aortic dissection.
Today's session about pancreatic cancer management covers the whole range we could offer as interventional radiologists in the management of this disease. It starts with the biopsies. The second one will be about the treatment of this cancer. First will be irreversible electroporation, and the second one will be laser immunotherapy, both very upcoming new techniques for this disease. And the last presentation will be about treatment of pancreatic cancer pain, a very specific problem in this disease where interventional radiology could make a difference.
So one of the most exciting aspects of CIRSE each year is the film quiz. If you attend, you'll see all sorts of amazing cases with all sorts of different diseases and lots of cases that you will find in the European Board of Interventional Radiology, the EBIR exam. Apart from what we hope will be a lot of fun at the film quiz, there's also the added bonus of free entry into CIRSE 2023 to be held in Copenhagen this time next year. Worth a lot of fun. Come along.